number system and binary computation. Unang-una, ano ba ang number system? Ito yung paraan ng pagbilang gamit ang iba't ibang base ng numbers. Pinaka-common, decimal base 10. Ito yung gamit natin sa araw-araw. May digits na 0 hanggang 9. Binary base 2, ito yung ginagamit ng computer, digits lang ay 0 at 1. Pero bakit 0 at 1 lang sa binary? Kasi ang computer ay gumagamit ng electrical signal na may dalawang kalagayan o posisyon, on plus 1, off plus 0. Kaya lahat ng nakikita natin sa computer, text, larawan, video games, at nakabase lang sa kombinasyon ng 1 at 0. Decimal to binary. Unahin natin ang decimal to binary. Gamit tayo ng division method. Halimbawa, 25. Divide natin ang 25 sa base ng binary, which is 2, hanggang sa maging 0 ang quotient. Divide ang 25. 25 divided by 2, quotient 12, remainder 1. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, remainder 0. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2 equals 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0, remainder 1. Ngayon, basahin natin pataas. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Ngayon, baliktad naman, binary to decimal. So dito may rules tayong sinusundan. Bawat digit ay may power of 2. Let's see. 1 times 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. 1 times ang 2 ito times 4, 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16 plus 1 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8 plus 0 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 0 times equals 2 plus 1 times 2. Ito times natin. 1 times 16 equals 16 plus 1 times 8 equals 8 plus 0 times 4 equals 4 ay 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 times 2 equals 1 ay 2 1 equals 25. Binary computation addition. So dito may rules muna tayo. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0. Carry 1. Example 1 0 1 1 plus 1 1 0 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Carry 1. Bring down 1. Final answer 1 1 0 0 1. At ayun, natutunan natin ang number system, decimal at binary. Paano mag-convert ng decimal to binary at isang example ng binary computation. Sana nakatulong ito para mas maintindihan nyo ang topic. Salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa susunod.